Learn how to create, assign, and manage topics on Catenda Hub. From the list of topics of your choice, create a new topic by clicking on the plus button at the top right. Enter the title of your subject here. Set the status and type of the subject via the drop-down menus. Enter a due date here. Assign the topic to a user or team here. Add tags here that will allow you to filter and easily find your topic. Fill in custom fields set up by your project administrator here. Add a description here. Add a comment here. You can now create your topic by clicking on the Send button. Then find your saved topic in the previously selected list. You now have the ability to filter and sort the different topics in your list. They can be sorted using the fully configurable table, by type, status, label, due date, last topic created, assigned person, etc. You can also filter topics from the filter panel that can be activated on the left. Here you can filter topics in the same way as for sorting topics, and thus isolate for example topics with a specific status. You can also create a topic directly from a 3D view. To do this, keep the 3D window open, then create a topic via the plus button. Fill in the different fields here, in the same way as seen previously. From a 3D view, you also have the possibility to add a marker on the associated 2D view. Select the location of the subject on the 2D view. Finally, you also have the option to associate the current view with the subject being created. To complete the topic creation, click Submit. You will always have the option to return to this saved view attached to this topic. This guide showed you how to create, assign and manage topics in Catenda Hub, from a topic list or a 3D view.